Okay, so here's what I've got. Sinker Cypress. Now, so you can see this aging and everything in there. This stuff is so cool. But I'm going to make the foot. And the foot, I sometimes go vertical with it, and sometimes I go horizontal. But because I want to be able to save as much of this wood as I can, and because I want it for the leg as well, the post, on not only this bench, but another bench that I'm making, because it's like 8/4. Let's just see what that is in fact. I'll measure that. So I've got a good almost 2 inches on that. So for that, now I covered this a little bit earlier, but I need to go with the strength direction, the orientation for this. And if I were to put the tray like this, then the orientation of this grain, because it's pretty beat up, would be that would be pretty weak for what I'm going to use it for. So I'm going to orient it this way, okay? Then the tray is going to go on like that. Now that load is going down this way, which is going to be a lot stronger than if it were like this, because if you put your wrist on that, somebody bent on it, it's kind of cantilevered, then it could very easily split right in there. So I'm going to go with my gut feeling on that. Now the foot, I want to be about the same width, so therefore I'm going to it doesn't have to be exact, but close enough, right? So I'm just going to go with that as my width.